So guys, right now we're trying to install one of these things, but it didn't come with the bolts. I found that a 10 mil goes in there pretty easy. So I may just grab a few 10s like this and put them in there until I can get the Allen screws and stuff like that. But I'm thinking this off right here. It got 3 sets of holes on it, so I'm gonna put one right here, and that hole, if it'll go, the 10. Okay. It's not dumb if it works, right? So let's put that one in. I may put a top one. It depends how this goes on, but this would probably be a lot easier if I had an impact or something to impact this shit on. Or I can go get a 10 and the socket, and yeah, I'll be right back. And all you gotta do is, how should I put it? Do I want it like that? Yeah, I think I want it like that. So, yeah, you take your 10 here and just tighten these fuckers up until they're snug. Well, not snug. I would recommend putting some Loctite on these so they don't come loose on you. Actually, let me turn old girl on. Drag it right there so I got some more space to tighten it. Okay, let me put that over there. Let me set y'all down so I can do this with 2 hands. A lot easier on me. I don't think that's going anywhere, because I can barely turn the motherfucker, so. I kind of want to put a second one in just to have it steady. Like, just so I can have that peace of mind. I know it's going to be ugly for right now until the Allen keys and all that come in, but I'd rather it not go anywhere than having it fly off or something. Put you guys, it's pretty ugly, but I mean, fuck it, right? I mean, it does look ugly because of the things, but if it works, it works. So you tell me that's been not focused all day, but that's how it looks. I know, guys, gotta clean my car, gotta do this and that, but that's that. I can go through all the gears: park, reverse, neutral, manual, everything works, so that works also. Yeah, everything works. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, that's that. Peace out.